Good morning or good afternoon. Today we will be recording a video on Quizzette 603. As always, please make sure that you write your last name, comma, first name, and today's date, and your class color. For this video, I'm just going to say that I am in purple class. And today's date, I believe, is the 4th. I really don't care about the date, like the actual day. You could put the 3rd, 4th, 5th, or 6th. What I mostly care about is that you have the month and the year. Number 1 on your Quizzette is always going to give you a scenario, and you're going to have to deduce or conclude what the integer is that they're asking you about. An integer is just a fancy word for positive and negative numbers. That's it. So, number 1, a Fahrenheit thermometer shows that the temperature is 15 degrees below -3. So, I like to draw a picture anytime I'm given a scenario. So I'm just going to draw a thermometer. Thermometers are usually vertical. They usually, you read them like up or down. You don't usually read them from right to left. So I'm just going to draw a number line that's like vertical, so up and down. It says a thermometer shows that it's below by 15 degrees, but it's below -3. So I'm going to start with, let's say 1, 0, -1, -2, -3. So now I know I start at -3, but I need to go 15 units below -3. Below -3. All right, so it says that it is 15 degrees below, I'm going to highlight that, below -3. So as I said, we started at -3. And I'm going to go 15 units below -3. If I count 15 times past -3, I'm going to eventually get to -18. Because I went down 15 units. So it says enter, or write, I guess, the integer. And remember, integer just means, go ahead and write this, positive and negative numbers that represent the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. So we have -18 degrees Fahrenheit. So on Tuesday, when you work on Tuesday, you're going to read the scenario, draw a picture, and see what's this mystery number they're trying to get you to write. And I know it's tempting to say this is -18, but the proper way to say this is -18 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is -18 degrees Fahrenheit. Moving on to number 2. Number 2 says, this number line shows a point at -5. Let's see if that's true. Yep, I see a point at -5. What is the distance from 0? Now this might seem really easy, and it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what's the distance away from 0? 5 units. But then it says, what's the absolute value of -5? This is how you write absolute value. You draw a straight line, you put -5 inside, and then you close it with another straight line. This is called absolute value. And the meaning of absolute value is the distance away from 0. Kind of like we did in this question above it. It's just asking the distance. So the distance is not negative. The distance is not positive. It's just the value. So if you look here, what's the distance of -5 from 0? The distance is 5. It's still 5. Now, you don't have to write this. I just want you to pay attention to this. What if they ask you, so don't write what I'm about to write in red. Don't write this. It says, what's the absolute value of -5? Let's say if it asks, what's the absolute value of 5? How far is 5 away from 0? Without talking, go ahead and show me with your hand. How far is 5 away from 0? So the absolute value of 5 would just be 5. Okay, let's look at number 3. It says the absolute value, what is the opposite and absolute value of -9? So it says, what is the opposite and the absolute value of -9? You can copy this down now. Go ahead and circle the word opposite and go ahead and circle the words absolute value. Those are actually 2 vocabulary words that you're going to see repeat throughout the unit, and you're actually going to have a quiz on those words, so make sure you know them. So the opposite of -9, we know that is just +9, so we can just write that. The opposite of -9 is, let's write it out, 9. And remember, the absolute value just means distance from 0. So it doesn't have positive or negative value. It's just a distance. So the absolute value of -9 is also 9. So let's go ahead and write that. The absolute value of -9 is also 9. Be careful on number 3, because the opposite of a number and the absolute value aren't always going to be the same. So they might be different in some scenarios. So I repeat, the opposite of a number is not always the absolute value. That's why I asked you both in that question, because I want you to see that there's a difference in those two. Now let's look at number 4. Number 4 says, put the following sequence of integers in order from least to greatest. Now, let's recall. What does integers mean again? Integers just means positive, go ahead and write this, positive and negative numbers. Okay, now it's saying put them in order from least or lowest to greatest. So here they give us a sequence of numbers, and the sequence of numbers is right here. You don't have to draw this parentheses. That's just a fancy math parentheses. So that's a sequence of numbers. -27, 93, 99, -8, -3, 72. And this is asking us to put it in order from least to greatest. And sometimes they can ask you from greatest to least. So make sure that you pay attention. So here I want the smallest number. Now I already know that the negative numbers are going to be smaller. So I'm going to circle. Go ahead and circle all your negative integers. And then your positive integers, just leave them there. Let's reason through the negative integers first. So the more money you owe, or the more negative of a number, that's the lowest number. So if I look here, the lowest number that I actually have is -27. And then the next lowest number that I have is -8. And my last one is -3. Now I can go in order with my positive numbers. So it kind of flips. So which one is next? 72, 93, or 99? 72 is correct. And then I'm pretty sure you can tell which one's next, 93. And the last one, which is the greatest number we have, is 99. If you couldn't fit it in one row, that's fine. Go ahead and write it underneath. And that's what you have to do for number 4 every day of this Quizzette. Try your best, box your answers, be neat, and you should be just fine.